Hey everyone, in this quick video, we'll learn conditional rendering in React, which basically means showing or hiding elements based on a condition. Let's jump in. As you can see, I have a simple app.jsx returning hello everyone, and I have this running in my local server. So now in the app.jx, we will be using one more thing, use useState. So I'll do a quick video on useState as well, but for this example, just bear with me. So now we will declare a variable in brackets. One is show and another one is set show with useState. And to use the set the initial value, we will be using a boolean value false. So what useState does in React, show is a variable which will hold the value you initialized in useState, and set show will be used in changing that value in the virtual DOM. So next, in this return, let's create a div element, and I will apply some styles already with padding of 20 pixels and font family of Arial. And now I will be using a header h1, and header will be conditional rendering in React. So now let's create a toggle button. So this is our button, and we can use on click. On click will trigger a function when the button is clicked. So I will create toggle details. So this is the function that will create here const toggle details, a arrow function, and now we will be using the set show to change the value of show or to inverse the value. So now we will be using brackets and show and ternary operator, hide details or show details. Now another element show. Now I will be using a paragraph tag to show the status of our conditional rendering. Now, as our code is getting completed, so now we can analyze what our code will do. So as you can see, as we set the initial value to be false, so when the user clicks on this button, the value of show changes. And when show is true, hide details will run. And when show is false, show details will run. And when show is true, it will reveal extra information. We will now cover this element in a paragraph tag. So now when the show is true, extra information will be revealed in a paragraph tag. So now status also depends on what will be shown to the user. So if show is true, this details will be visible, and if show is false, details will be hidden. So let's see this in action. Let me save first. Now it's saved. In our browser, let's see. Now if I click on show details, let's see if something changes. So as you can see, extra information is revealed and details are visible. But when I click, the message changed and the status as well to details are hidden. This means a show variable is getting updated through useState, and conditional rendering is only rendering the stuff that we want to render based on the condition. Thank you very much.